Hey guys, my name is Brian. This is a tool I've been working on called Tigum. And what Tigum is basically a personal online learning environment that helps you centralize all your online research in one place and then study that research in detail. So Tigum comes from the Irish verb to understand, so that's where it's got its name from. So you see on the left hand side here, I have a set of topics that I'm interested in studying on the internet. So you can see here I have one already set up. You can see this is how you create a new one. So you put in the title there, so like electronics. That will create a topic here, and you can see inside each topic there's a note section, videos, snippets, and links. And so I'll just show you through the notes section now. So this is a topic I created to learn about how computers work. It's kind of based off of a course that a guy on YouTube made around building a simple Hello World program on a 6502 microchip. So it's really good for learning how computers actually work. So here's two kind of notes I have. The first one is on address buses. So you can see here we just have like a definition of what an address bus is used for. And I've kind of written this in my own words, so I kind of have a good idea of how this works for myself. But you can see here there's two other things down here, and this is a snippet and then a link to a video that I collected. So I'll just show you how you can embed those. So if I go control/, or if I go like this, you can see here there's a little pop-up that shows up, and there's a set of resources or snippets or videos that show up for this specific topic. And I can also search here, and you can see here's two sets of snippets on address buses, and I can also just look through different topics just to find the resource that I'm looking to embed. So on this one it's just address bus, so yeah, I think this is the one. So yeah, when I save that there, you can see it kind of renders it. You can write it there in Markdown, so it kind of displays it here in the Markdown format. And Markdown is just a formatting sort of language that you can use to render stuff without having to type buttons and all. So it's a nice thing to use. So I'll probably do a demo tutorial on how Markdown works as well. But for now, that's what this is. So you can see here's the snippet that was embedded, and then here's the actual rendered version. So you can see here's the source. So if I click on this, it goes to where I actually collected that snippet. So if I go like this here, Control K, you can see it displays that content that I want to collect inside the Chrome extension, and then I can select which topic I want to save that snippet to. So I've already done this, obviously, so that's here now to be able to access as a snippet to embed. So that's this thing here. That's a useful kind of definition of what an address bus is. And then the other thing down here is a video that I actually collected from YouTube using the Chrome extension. So if I look for address lines again, you can see here it is. And what this does, it creates a link to this note video thing I've created. So when I click on this here, it'll go to that. And you can see on the right hand side, there's a YouTube video embedded. And this is a guy describing what address buses are used for and how they work. So it's a really good video, and I said I'll just collect this and try and take some notes on it. So you can see here on the left hand side, I have a similar sort of note section. And what's in here is just a set of notes that are related to the video. And you can see here there's sort of links to specific parts. So when I click on this, it'll jump to this part that I'm taking notes on. So signals on buses, what the address buses do. And so this is a way where you can kind of annotate YouTube videos alongside the video itself and kind of watch it in detail and take notes in different parts. So I'll just show you how that works now. So you can see here this is Markdown again, and this is a heading tag. Then there's actually a link as well. So I'll just show you now. If I go like this, Control T. Actually, I changed the point in the video here just to demo the case. It's I'll just go to here. So if I go Control T like this, you can see this little pop-up shows up, and it gives you a little dialogue to put in the kind of point in the video that you want to kind of give it a title. So when I go like that, it will create a little link here, and if I'm somewhere else on the video, I can go back to it like this. So that'll show you that again. You can use Control T as a shortcut, or you can actually just click this flag icon here, and that's meant to be like, you know, put a flag in this point in the video. So yeah, so whenever part you're on the video. Yeah, so the next part of this, I suppose, is the extension. So I'll just show you now. We've been going through kind of the dashboard side of things here, and looking at the kind of where these snippets are stored and how to embed them. But I'll just show you now the Chrome extension and how you can actually use that to create content, or to collect content from the internet that you'd find useful. So I just have this video here, and this is a video on computer memory by a guy called Sebastian Lang. So I'd highly recommend his videos. They're really in depth and really interesting and well made. So
I have begun by creating this simple circuit following a little diagram I found online.
So this is a guy, he's describing an SR latch here, and this is sort of like the main component, I think, in computer memory.
What's interesting though is
so yeah, so what I'll do here is I'll just go Control K, and what you'll see is the Chrome extension opens, and it'll open up in the video tab. So with that, then what we can do is we can actually save the video we can save the video to Tigum under whatever topic we want here. So I'm going to save it to this one. I can save current time, and I'm going to save it now, and it's going to open up in Tigum. And you can see here, you'll have a note section here that you can take notes on, and then you can have you can have the video play here on the right hand side, and you can do the same process that we saw earlier on. So yeah, that's kind of the Chrome extension for videos. I'll just show you for snippets now. If I go in here, I go Control K, you can see the content here, and it maintains the actual formatting with Markdown. So what it does is it takes the web content and transforms it into Markdown, so that it's easy to embed in your notes. So there you go. So that's that there, and you can give it a title, whatever you want. Address bus. Actually, I'll do a different. It's already there. So let's see. Markdown it. Something like that here. Yeah, save that there. You can see here then, if I go back in here, I can say search for address bus components, and that's embedded there, and that keeps the links available too. So if I click on let's see here, let's say Lord, it'll go to that. So it maintains the links that are saved and all the content. So it's basically just taking the web content as it is and being able to embed it directly in your notes. So yeah, that's the Chrome extension side. Then also we have the link here. So if you don't want to use specific content, we think it's a useful link, you can just go like this as well. So I'm going to save this here, and then again you'll see it show up here. So yeah, there it is there. I'll click on it, it'll show up there. So yeah, and then you can see if you just want to have a look at overall what's in your snippets. Yeah, I think I need to refresh this. Yeah, that's address bus components. Oh, sorry, links. Yeah, so there's the motherboard link as well. So the other thing as well, we have a global search bar here. So you can see, look on something about threads. You can see some stuff we've collected on this. So yeah, that's the global search here. So yeah, that's kind of it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully, if you're interested, you can send me an email, or you can sign up to beta access. So if you go on to signup.tigum.io, you can hop on here and just request beta access. We'll send it to this form. Send it this form here. Yeah, and you can put your email in there, and I'll be notified that you're interested in signing up. So thanks very much for listening, guys, and hopefully you'll sign up. See ya.